making macaroni salad for today. I've got to pour my water out in the kettle. And all I've done is cooked a box of macaroni and I've let it cool here. I've rinsed it in cold water and now I'm gonna add just mixing it up right in the kettle I cooked it in, so I won't have dirty bowls. I put me some pickle relish, sweet pickle relish. I don't like the dill in it. And I'm not measuring, I'm just gonna dump. And that's like 1/4 cup of relish. And then I've got some Duke's mayonnaise here. Get my spoon out. Clean it here. I'm gonna put a big heaping teaspoon of 2 of them of mayonnaise. And just a squirt of mustard. Not much, I don't like very much mustard in it. And then I'm gonna mix this up. Get it all going good. And I'm gonna cut up my onion just a minute and put it in here. First I'm gonna put a little salt, not much, and pepper. And my mommy always put a little sugar in hers. So I'm putting a little sugar in mine. Yeah, it's got sugar in it. Not much, just enough to, I think it kind of takes the wang out of the pickles and everything, just settles it down. The salt and sugar together helps. And now I've got to get my onion I laid out here. I don't have my knife ready. I didn't get organized good. Have to excuse me for just a minute here. I'm trying my best to get it done. And I do the old-timey way. I just do this. Ain't taking much for this one. We never had cutting boards and stuff when I was growing up. I never knew what one was. We did everything in our hands. Probably not the safest way, but it's... And all them little chunks of onions is all about the same size, the way I cut it. And when you're not cooking your onions, it doesn't really matter if they're all the same size, but if you're cooking stuff, it needs to be the same size so it'll cook at the same time. And I believe that should do it. And then I'm gonna mix this all up, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of my macaroni in at a time till I get it blended in. I don't want to whip it. I'm just going to fold it in with the pickles and all this. And then on the lye, I'm going to have to peel my eggs and put them in there, and that's the only thing I like. Didn't hardly mean for that to do that, but it did. I believe I'm going to have to put a dab more mustard in it. And the thing of it is let it onions and all of that set. And I've got it all coated, I think, just about it. And all I'm going to do now is fix my eggs and put in here. And I'll put about 6 eggs in here. And that's it. That's my macaroni salad. I would put my eggs, but I've not got them peeled yet, so I'll peel them and cut those up just like I did my onions, mix them in here. And you see I'm just kind of reaching under, picking up my macaroni like that. And that's it. Yous all have a good day and a happy one day after the 4th. It's just as important as the 4th. Bye-bye.